Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll be showcasing you one of our narratives, which is IOC search and threat hunting in Splunk. This narrative has been constructed so that we can provide it a list of IOCs, and then the assistant will try to do some environment discovery, find out which is the appropriate index to search in, after which it will construct the searches required to run in Splunk, search for those IOCs in different fields. If it finds any, it will also enrich them with VirusTotal, and then finally output a nice HTML um, in which we can see the whole process and the findings. To use it, we'll just open up our narratives tab and just hit apply. We will see what tools, what MCP tools it's going to use, the title and the full prompt with the instructions. I'll just go ahead and send it. And the first step is going to be asking us for the, the actual IOCs we are interested in. So for this, I have some prepared here. I'll just copy paste everything on this page, give it to the assistant, and let it do its job. The first thing it does is it wants to list the indices in Splunk to see what are the indices available, and it's gonna use the list indices command for that. It seems it found the IOC search index, and right now it wants to do a field summary of that index to see what fields and values it has, so it's easier to construct the search. Okay, we have a couple of fields, and now it's writing the searches we need. And I'll say yes, random, and check last 6 months for each of them. First search is up, I'm gonna run it. And we can also configure them to run automatically. Right now, I just want to confirm it so we get a chance to see exactly what search it's going to run. We can see we already have some results. Moving on to the third search. And now it's moving on to the VirusTotal MCP server to find out the reputation of the found indicators. It started off with the IPs it found, and then it's probably going to move on to the domain names. Yep. And now the collection of data is finalized and it will prepare a report with the findings of this particular hunt. It seems like the report has finished and let's take a look at it. So we have an executive finding summary where we have 3 malicious IPs and 2 domains that were found from the provided listing. The methodology used was based on these 4 fields and those 4 searches. The IOC findings with virus total are present as well, both for IPs and domains. And we have some more information about the attack details based on those events and all the information collected from virus total. Then we have a conclusion and recommendation. Now, this report is customizable either through editing the narrative directly or by using a particular system prompt, the colors, theme, and all of these are 100% customizable. We can also download it and perhaps send it as a report to another team or manager. And this was it for this particular narrative. I'll see you in the next one.